Alright, so this is the Coleman CC100X. It's a 100cc 4-stroke engine. It's pretty much just a lawnmower engine. There's no clutch really, it's just a centrifugal device. There's no gears, it's just twist and go, kind of like a scooter. It's got a rear disc brake. It is a hardtail and a hard front. There is no suspension. But let me show you the trail that my kids and I put together. There we go. Keep in mind I weigh 200 pounds, so it's not going too fast. But if you have a 50-year-old or 50-pound kid, it's plenty fast. Now watch out for the prairie dog holes. Like I said, no suspension. Nice little boulders I put up to keep my neighbor's kid out of our yard with his vehicle. I think they look nice too. Woo! Yeah, that's it. Coleman CC100X. Bought it for my daughter and my son. It's real fun. It's a blast. I like riding it too.